Morning. We're going to do poached egg in a cup. Now what you do is you get your egg and you make a little bag or a little pocket with your cling film. And then you put your egg into the cling film, tie it up like a little bag and then boil it. Put the water on. I'm going to do 2 eggs, so I'll have 2 little bags. Put that back in the cupboard. The eggs. Put the water in ready. Turn that on. Power. Here it goes. Okay, that's looking good. Let's tie these off. And there you go, your little pocket of poached egg. Okay, we're back again. Now we're going to do step 2, which is to put the eggs into the pan. And here's hoping that it all stays together. There's 1. And there's 2. And that's looking good. Put 1 cup back. Make a cup of tea. Twinings English breakfast. That should just take about maybe 3 minutes. Seems to wear off the boil a wee bit, but everything's holding together. We've got a bit of bread. We'll have a bit of toast. This is one of my favourite bread. Burgan, soya and linseed. Very healthy. You know I'm always eating very healthy. Put it back up there. Cup of tea. Bread in the toaster. Plate. Hey presto. So that should be it. Well, that was quite successful, and as you can see, we've got two perfectly formed poached eggs, a little bit of garnish, which I'll just eat just now. Oh, that was lovely. So what they say is the testing is in the eating, eh? So here goes. Oh, supremo.